Hey people, so of late I've been on this mission to use these products that are, safe, dermatologically tested and safe. So, like for instance, I read this article on the fact that, not article, I saw it on the net, that, most of the shampoo it has the same ingredients as a detergent because they need to get all that foam and all, right? So that's why I've googled and I tried to find out which is the product that hair product that has very little of these chemicals, and I found Wow Skin Science. So it says red onion black seed oil shampoo, no parabens, sulfate, silicone, color, and it's dermatologically tested and pH balance. And the best part is, this particular product, I got it 1 liter. It's actually for $1,000, but there was a sale, so I got it at like half the price. But truly, people, Wow Skin Science. I'm going to probably use it properly and then again do a review. But I'm just so impressed. I want to promote these brands from India, and these brands that are good, natural, and without all this paraben and sulfate and silicone and color and all of that. So Wow Skin Science would be a brand like that. So see, I've decided, see, Nia for nail polish, Just Herbs for kajal. I need to find a good lip care brand also. I use Lakme, but yeah, let's see. But Wow shampoo. So people, no, I used to have a little notebook in which I used to write all these things that are, this thing is good here, that thing is good there. So I'm so happy. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.